Welcome to another great video by ExamSam Study Aids in Media. In this video, we're going to look at a median example. Although there isn't a formula for median, we'll show you how the math calculation works. So, let's have a look at our question. Here you can see that the possible score for each presentation is 10, and Ellie gets these 5 scores. Take a few moments to try to solve the problem. Now let's have a look at the solution. The correct answer is B. The problem provides the following scores: 8.19, 7.59, 8.25, 7.35, and 9.10. To find the median, we need to put the numbers in ascending order. 7.35 is the lowest. The next value is 7.59. After this, we have 8.19. The next highest is 8.25. And the highest number is 9.10. The median is always the middle value in a data set. So we need to find the one that's in the middle. Let's look at our list in ascending order again. Now highlight the one in the middle to solve. So 8.19 is our solution. Bear in mind here that if you have a data set with an even number of values, you need to take the 2 middle values and find the average of those for your median. You may also want to see our videos on range, mode, and mean. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.